How to add money to Cash App. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can add money to Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to add money to Cash App, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch Cash App over here. Then just come to the home tab from the bottom left of the screen and you will see this type of interface where you'll find the add cash option from the very top. So just tap the add cash option there. Make sure to enter the dollars that you want to add, or you can enter a custom amount from here over here as well. Once you have done that, tap the add option. Just make sure to link your bank's debit card. If you have funds in your bank, you can directly add them over here. Once done, you can tap the link card and then the amount of money will get successfully added to your Cash App account. This way you will be able to add money to Cash App. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.